Welcome to Baz Travels. If you value these 8K immersive tours, please subscribe and like the video. It only takes a few seconds. Your support is the only way I can keep this channel going and continue bringing you these high quality experiences. Thank you for being here. Standing outside the Sidney and Berne Davis Art Centre, the Caloosahatchee Manuscripts, widely known simply as Lux, represents a masterful intersection of historical research and contemporary artist expression. Created by the world-renowned artist Jim Sanborn, who is perhaps more famous for his Kryptos sculpture at the CIA headquarters, this installation consists of two massive drum-like bronze cylinders. These cylinders are not solid surfaces. They are instead intricately perforated with thousands of hand-cut letters that form a complex layered tapestry of text. The true genius of this piece is revealed most fully after the sun sets over the river, when the internal light sources are activated. The bronze cylinders act as giant glowing lanterns. The light pours through the perforated text, projecting words across the surrounding plaza, onto the sidewalks, and high up the neoclassical facade of the art center itself. In this moment, the architecture of the city is literally wrapped around in the history of the land. The text chosen by Sanborn is deeply rooted in the unique identity of Southwest Florida. It features excerpts from the journals of early Spanish explorers who first charted these complex waterways, alongside the phonetically transcribed languages and stories of the indigenous Caloosa people. The Caloosa were a powerful shell culture that thrived in the area for centuries before European contact, and their presence remains a fundamental part of the local heritage. By projecting these ancient words into a modern urban space, Sanborn forces a silent, visual dialogue between the present-day city and its prehistoric roots. This work emphasizes that the ground we walk on has been witnessed, documented, and inhabited by diverse cultures for thousands of years. It transforms a public walkway into an immersive, open-air library that demands attention. As people move through the projected light, they find themselves standing within the literal history of the Caloosa-hatchee River. The manuscripts serve as a reminder that history is not just something found in dusty books or behind glass in a museum. It is a living narrative that continues to cast its shadow and its light on the world we inhabit today. It is a profound tribute to the power of human communication and the enduring legacy of those who first called this Florida riverfront home.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.